Hey there, my lovers and friends. I'm coming to you in this like precarious situation because I'm trying to take advantage of the daylight, and I just got off a plane, and y'all know I'll be making moves, but I wanted to update y'all on my HairViVi wig that I have on right now and give you all the raw deal. So if you are so interested, help a sister out, hit the subscribe button, sign up for the notifications, because you get the real tea here, even with sleepy time makeup. Okay, all right, I'll get right into it. Can you believe I got my package from HairViVi? Unboxing. So y'all, I'm really excited because I think this company has hit a lot of the pain points for beginners with this whole lace frontal wig thing. And I got the Victoria Pre-plucked lace front wig. I'll plug in some pictures in the links below. And looked at tons of reviews. So if you looked at tons of reviews on HairViVi, you'll hear about a few things consistently. One, their shipping is ridiculous. Two, that people really like this pre-plucked wig, right? That their quality of the wig is pretty good. I also not only looked on YouTube, I looked on some other like hair forums as well, and you know, everyone said it was well worth the wait. And I'm here to give you the true tea, and I absolutely agree. This is, mind you, I'm about to take this sucker off my head, so this is why I wanted to come and bring it to you all. This is straight out the box. I got only thing that I got a 20-inch. I got 180% density. I will say that density when it comes to straight hair is so tricky. I felt like it wasn't enough, but I mean, how can I tell, like, really? But this is 180% density, 20 inches, maybe straight or something like that, or I don't know if it's, I think it's probably Indian hair or whatever. And I think the total wig cost me like close to like $270 with the pre-plucked hairline. I got a size small, which always is a bit too big for my head, but in terms of it being pre-made. But I didn't do anything to the hairline at all. I just followed the got to be glued wig cap method. I did trim off some of the sideburns. They were too long. And the only thing that's bothering me about the cap, I also had to, I got it with the elastic band sewn in. They also do that for you as well. Is the boning in the frontal, like, is hitting my ear, so that's a bit annoying, and I don't know how I can cut that off. But otherwise, in terms of like plug and play, like true out the box for a beginner, you know, if this is okay for you or this is okay for me, I may still go back and pluck it, but like I literally took it out the box, as you all will see, and you know, put the wig on, removed the elastic bands because they weren't working for me, and I'm really happy with it. It was much more expensive, but the things that it came with, like the bleach knots, I got lucky, or maybe, you know, maybe they're taking into customer feedback, they were not over bleached, and just in terms of putting on your head and go, and that's exactly what I did and how I've been wearing it. So I'm really happy, and hope that they bring some more of these, because I think these are beginner friendly wigs. Like, you know, this is what a lot of us girls need who don't have the time to be plucking hairlines, who don't have the time to sew, you know, make our own wig. And I think when you think about the time and the investment, like, this was well worth it. If I just got a Wild Ebony wig, which if you guys want to see a review on that one, please, because I want to know if you're interested in it. But I got a wild ebony wig. It's gorgeous, but I still have to bleach the knots. I still have to pluck the hairline and then, you know, apply it. And so I found a lot of value on being able to, you know, throw this on. And even if you're a person who's like, okay, this hairline is not working for me, you know, you can follow it in a way that I think it gives you a guide, because it's pre-plucked, in terms of where to pluck. You know what I mean? It's not just a raw full hairline. It kind of gives you a guide on to, you know, keep that order to it. So I'm really loving it. I've worn it for about 4 or 5 days. I'm actually taking it off, removing it, and I'm gonna likely put it back on. And I just think it's like the bee's knees. Like, for someone like me, like, this is awesome and great. I like the hair. I'm gonna do some more stuff with the hair. I love the length. I got it in a natural. As you can see, this is natural sunlight, so that's what it is. But wanted to bring out a true tea. You know, the shipping took 3 weeks, but I think it's well worth it. Honestly, I'm about to order another one. To be honest, if it does the same thing, and then I think I would be good on my lace frontal bit. No more making any more wigs. I'm like over it. All right, lovers and friends, thank you so much. Don't judge. I'm sitting on my floor in my bedroom, but I wanted to bring this to you guys before you know, I jet to my next location. If y'all haven't already, want to keep up with me and how, you know, these wig slays last, you know, definitely subscribe to me, and then also check me out on my social media and send me a message, DM me, or leave a comment below, because let's talk. I love that. And yeah, there we go. Thanks so much, y'all. Peace.